let's go ahead and get started. We are going to warm up with a sprint for our Module 5 Lesson 3 day today. It is found on page 59 of your Starry Night Practice for Fluency book. It looks like this. Your directions are to write the unknown number. Pay attention to the symbols. Pay attention to the symbols and, the placement of the missing number. Okay, now let's go ahead and put 60 seconds on the clock. Okay. Let's see. All right, on your mark, get set, go. All right, guys, time is up. Now, that means stop what you're doing, stop where you're at. We are going to go ahead and check our work and see how we did. Come on. All right, yes, let's check this sprint that we just did an awesome job on. Let's go ahead and here we go. Write the unknown number. Pay attention to the symbols. Number 1 is 6, 7, 8, 5, 7, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 3, 7, 8, 3, 5. Top of column 2, question number 16. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2, 2, 7, 4, 3, 9, 5, 4, 8, 3, 7, 2, 2, 3. All right, so go ahead and write the number you got correct in the starburst at the top and answer me this question here. Looking at questions 22, 23, and 24, what is happening there? What brings those together? Yes, they do come from the same number bond where the whole is 9 and the parts are 4 and 5. Great work. All right, now let's continue with our lesson. Come on. Sprint. Now, let's go ahead and proceed with our application problem, which is on page 195 in our Learn books. The digits are 1, 9, 5, and like I said, that's your flower beds, and it reads, Rose draws 6 triangles. Maria draws 7 triangles. How many more triangles does Maria have than Rose? So more than, we are comparing Maria and Rose's triangles. We're not putting them together. So go ahead and work that out, and we'll see what I did in a minute. All right, so yes, what I did to show that their triangles were not connected was that I drew a picture to represent Rose's triangles and that she had 6, and then I drew to represent Maria's triangles and that she had 7, and I see that this box, this group is bigger than that group by 1. So in subtracting, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Maria has 1 more triangle. So yes, those are our shapes. But what we're going to actually talk about today is 3-dimensional shapes. So basically this means our solid shapes, the ones that are not flat. So like for example, a rectangular prism, like this box of tissues, or this block I have here. Notice it has what's called 6 faces, which are the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, whoop, it's on the floor. 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 faces. There are also corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. So now we see that the sides and corners don't always match. What we're going to worry about are faces. It's a 3-dimensional shape with 6 faces. Now, like I said, 3D shapes. I'm going to show you some more examples of 3-dimensional shapes and then show them in real objects. We also have cylinders. Picture here we see a can cylinder. It is round, but it also has 2 flat faces. 2 flat faces and it's round, which also allows it to roll. So 2 circular oval faces that are the same size, and it has the ability to roll like my water bottle. See? 2 round faces, turn it on its side. I bet it'll roll away. Let's not test that one out right now. Another one we've learned, or we're going to look at, is the cone. A cone has 1 flat face, and it comes to a point. 1 flat, usually oval or circular face, and it comes to a point. Now, one place we often see cones is like a traffic cone. This particular traffic cone has the tip cut off, but it is still the same basic idea of open and round. See, the orange is round, coming to a point. This is a cone. Next, I want to show you a sphere. A sphere is often a ball. Pretty much most balls, except for footballs, are spheres. It is round. There's nothing flat about this. There are no flat surfaces. There are no flat faces going on. This is round. This will roll. There are no faces. There are no corners. It's round. It's going to roll. See, my ball's all the way over there now. Now, there's one not pictured here, and that is a cube. And that's because a cube is very, very similar to a rectangular prism. The difference is, instead of it being long and short, they're all the same. A cube, the 6 faces are made out of squares, meaning they're all the same. So what we're going to do is, in your book, you're going to sketch your pictures. We're not scrambling to get them done as fast as you can, make them perfect. We're going to look at some shapes that represent, we're going to look at some real life examples, and you're going to tell me where they belong. Now, if you're wanting to sketch along with me, it's on page 135. But my pictures are going to pop up. I'm not drawing. So, I'm not worried about your pictures being perfect. Trying our best is the goal right now. So, like, for example, a gift box is often the shape of a cube. A fish tank, or for our class, a gecko tank, is the shape of a rectangular prism. A can, like a can of vegetables, is a cylinder. A lot of fruit, in this case we see a peach, is sphere, it's round. An example of a cone, here we have a traffic cone again. There's not too many cones just floating around in nature. So let me see, what about that shape right there? What is that? A cube, a rectangular prism, a cylinder, a sphere, or a cone? That is a cube, good. What about this one? What's that? This part right here. Let's think about this when we take it off of there and go put it in the trash. What shape is that? That is a cylinder. A toilet paper roll is a cylinder, a hollow cylinder at that. There's nothing in the middle. Good. What about this one? What about this guy here? It is a party hat. Good. What shape is that? Rectangular prism, sphere, or cone? It is a cone. Excellent. What about these? These, not the shoes, but the box. What shape is this shoe box? What shape are a lot of shoe boxes? Rectangular prism or sphere? Rectangular prism. Good job. Fancy name, yes. means a 3D rectangle, rectangular prism. And last one for this set is a soccer ball. Soccer ball, like most balls, is a sphere. Good. All right, let's do another set. What's that? Those are blueberries. Where do the blueberries belong? Sphere. They're round. You ever have blueberries at school and you gotta be careful? Because for one, they roll, and for two, they stain. I think the staining should be one, because some stains are hard to get out. I'll tell you what. Okay, what about this? This juice box. What shape can the juice box take? That one is a little tricky, I'll give you that. I'll tell you, this particular juice box is a cube, but juice boxes can and do often come in the shape of rectangular prisms as well. I'll give you that one. That's a good one. Yes. What about this here, this sandbox? What shape is this sandbox? Definitely with its 4 straight sides and 4 straight with its straight sides and straight corners and its 3-dimensional depth. A rectangular prism. Good. How about this one? What shape is that glass? A cylinder or a cone? Cylinder. Good. The glass is a cylinder, meaning that an ice cream cone, literally called ice cream cone, is definitely a cone. Good job. Good job. Excellent work, guys. So yes, this was us sorting. Now, if you want a clean shot so you can sketch pictures in your boxes on page 135, that's fine. Don't worry too much about that, because you're about to do your own. You're gonna do your own. The objects are given to you, and you have to sketch to sort them. We can sketch or write the names. It says write the names. I'm giving you the option to sketch these based on the shape they are. So you're going to do some matching, you're going to do some sorting, you're going to identify attributes of some shapes. Yes, you're supposed to do the whole problem set. In this module, you're going to do the whole problem set. It starts on page 197 in your Learn book, blue number, blue trim book, front and back. Looks just like that. You're going to then, once you're done with that, return to the Nearpod so that you can complete your exit ticket, which has been split up into some pieces so that you can respond to the true or false, and then write out your sentence response to support your answer. There is a word bank provided helping you identify the attribute words, some words that are not necessarily decodable yet, but you attribute words that help you describe why you said the sentences or statements were true or false. But guys, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, let me know. And until then, bye.